guys, welcome back to my channel, and today on this episode of In the Kitchen with Sandy, it is Taco Tuesday. So I am coming on here today to show you what I am having doing the low carb diet. You really don't have to sacrifice a whole lot of things, well, except for fruits and chocolate and pasta and breads, but anyway, let's get past that. But I'm doing Taco Tuesday just like normal, but I just kind of wanted to get on here and show you what I'm having personally today for Taco Tuesday. I got my meat going on in the background over there. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Alright, I got my meat cooking right there, and it looks and smells so good. I like to make mine a little extra moist in the beginning, because when all of it cooks down, every bit of that liquid absorbs right into that meat and makes it absolutely delicious. You know what I'm saying? And this is my taco recipe that I use when I make my taco meat. You know, I'm just like anybody else. Sometimes I use the stuff out of the packets, but sometimes I make my own taco seasoning at home, and it is so much better. My daughter likes it better. My husband likes it better. It is just so much more flavorful, and you don't get all that overpowering chili powder taste in there. You know, it's just so good. But I'm not sure if I've showed you that, but I will eventually, I promise. But let me show you what I'm having. Now, I may have already told you on a previous video. Who knows? When you get old, you lose your mind. But this is what I bought. These bold nacho cheese flavored taco shells. These are really good. These are amazing. It's upside down, but anyway, they are so delicious. And the net carbs in these are 16 for 2 shells. So these are 16 for 2 shells. So you can have 2 of these shells for 16 grams of carbs, which really isn't bad. If you're trying to do the 20 and under, you can have like 2.5 tacos. But what I plan on doing today is having one of these taco shells, and then I'm going to use my tortilla, my low carb tortilla, and I'm going to pop it in the oven, and I'm going to put my meat on it, and my cheese, and my onions, and my tomatoes, and my jalapeno peppers, and all that goodness. I kind of wanted to show you that because it's kind of going to be like a little taco pizza, or I don't know. It's not even a pizza. It's a shell. So it's going to be a taco pizza, whatever you want to call it, but it's going to be absolutely delicious. 6 carbs for that. 6 carbs for this is 12 net carbs. I mean, then if you add on a little bit of sprinkle of your tomatoes and stuff, which is really, I don't even count stuff like that, like little pieces of tomato and stuff like that. It's going to be delicious. I am so flippin' hungry. So I've got my stove preheated so I can bake these shells. The husband's on his way home. I'm going to get to chopping my vegetables, my tomatoes and my onions. And I've already bought the shredded lettuce, so that's going to work out perfect. I don't have to shred any lettuce. Get my jalapenos ready to go. And I will show you what I'm going to show you exactly how I put that together when it comes to time. So yeah, that's what we're doing. mind you, this is 6 carbs, and it's just like a tostada. That's what I'm going to call it, a tostada, not a Mexican pizza. I can't wait to dig into this. I'm going to have this. I'm going to have one of the crunchy shell tacos, which is, I think I said 8 grams. I could have up to 2 more if I really wanted to, because I haven't had any carbs today. So, bon appetit. I hope you enjoy this recipe. I know I'm going to enjoy it. I appreciate you all so very much. I love you, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.